Today's video is all about these gorgeous cinnamon buns. If you love making bread at home like me, then you will love these buns. They are light, fluffy, not too sweet, and perfect for breakfast. If you would like to see other bread recipes, let me know in the comments below, as I have collected quite a few delicious bread recipes over the years. Okay, let me show you how to make them. The ingredients you need are 600 grams of flour, 200 grams warm coconut milk. You also need 2 fresh eggs, 50 grams of coconut sugar, 12 grams dry yeast, and 200 grams room temperature butter or margarine. Add all the ingredients into the bowl of your mixer. If you are kneading this dough by hand, mix the ingredients in a bowl until it comes together. Transfer the dough to your work table and knead for 10 minutes. Using a mixer saves energy, so that's what I'm using today. If you would like me to show how to knead dough by hand, let me know in the comments so I can show it in my next bread video. So you will let your mixer do its work on high speed until the dough pulls off the side of the bowl. Transfer the dough to your lightly floured surface and knead for a few seconds. Form the dough into a ball and place in a floured bowl to rise for 1 hour. While the dough is proofing, let's make the filling. For that, you'll add 75 grams room temperature butter, 150 grams soft brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon into a bowl. Mix it well until it's combined and set it aside for now. After 1 hour, the dough should have doubled in size. Transfer the dough to your lightly floured work surface and roll the dough to roughly the size of an A3 paper. That is about 16.5 inch by 11.7 inch. You also want to make sure that your dough is not sticking to the surface. Spread a thin layer of the filling, and with the long side facing you, fold the dough in half lengthwise to enclose the filling, just like a letter. Next, slice it into 12 equal strips. I was too generous with my portions, so I ended up with 10 strips, but this recipe makes 12 buns. To make the lovely plated design, cut twice down the length of each strip to make 3 strands. Plait the 3 strands together and roll the plate to create a knot. Place in a greased and floured muffin tin. You want to repeat this for the remaining individual strips. At this point, you can cover the buns in cling film and place them in the fridge overnight, then bake in the morning if you want freshly baked buns for breakfast. But if you are making them right away, cover and leave to proof for 30 minutes to 1 hour. At this point, you preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Make the egg glaze with 1 small egg and 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. Brush the tops of each buns and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. Once they are baked, transfer to a cooling rack. You can now top with a cream cheese glaze or dust them with simple icing sugar. And they are ready. I hope you guys give these cinnamon buns a try and leave me a comment if you want to see other bread recipes. Okay, thank you for joining me here today, and I'll see you in my next video.